Alright, welcome again to Military Guna TV. We have transfer news, big transfer news for Arsenal. Antoine Griezmann to Arsenal. Can you imagine? Well, let's get into this. Let's get deep into this. Let's dig into this and see what facts are there in this. So hit the like button. Please drop a like. Please, I'm asking you, drop a like. Subscribe if you like the content. If not, that is okay. But hit the like button. I implore you to hit the like button. Now, this report are coming from Diario Goal, stating that Antoine Griezmann has an offer from Arsenal Football Club, and let me get into it. Now, Barca French forward Antoine Griezmann is on Arsenal agenda. Big word. Now, one of the proper names for this season at Barca is Antoine Griezmann, among other things because the Frenchman still does not take that step forward that many expect him to take this in his second year at the Camp Nou. So they expected him to step up a notch, but guess what? That didn't happen. So after a first season with many more shadows than lights, many bet that already accumulated, and with a new coach at the helm who trusts him, the Frenchman was going to show his best version. So they expected to see his best version, and that is yet to come out. Nothing is further from reality. While it is true that there have been games in which Antoine Griezmann has been decisive, he's not exactly a player who can be considered undisputed a starter at Barca. Moreover, if Ansu Fati had not been injured, Griezmann would have become Koeman's first substitute striker behind of Lionel Messi, Fati and Dembele. The only positive thing about Griezmann this year is that like the rest of the squad, he has shown to be very involved despite the fact that his goal output is not so precise. But Arsenal are indeed interested in Antoine Griezmann. Now, with an arrival of Joan Laporta back to the presidency, there are many who point out that Griezmann will most likely be one of those packing his bag this summer. But my question is, the price tag that is attached to Griezmann, is it feasible for Arsenal to take that? Is it feasible to take the price tag, also in consideration the wages? Let's get into it. Among the other things, as much as this striker has not performed, much less he has performed in his days at Atletico Madrid, how he performs every time he dresses short with the French soccer team. He has a lot of poster in Europe. In the Premier League, it has been none other than Arsenal who have made it clear that they are interested in him. If he chooses to leave Barca this summer, they will be waiting for them. They will be waiting for them in London with open arms. So the Barca backroom staff definitely be waiting for Arsenal with open arms to see if to collect Antoine Griezmann. But as I said before, it is likely the finances are a big problem. But he has an offer from on the table, but at the moment it is more than rejected. At this moment, it is more than rejected because he has to show his loyalty to Barcelona at this point in time. First, because Griezmann wants to see how the season ends and what plans Barca have with him. Second, because in the case of leaving the Camp Nou, he would do so to go to a top team. And guess what? At this moment, Arsenal are not a top team, unless Arsenal are not a top team at this point in time. We have to be frank with that. We don't have a top player. We're a top club, but we don't have a top squad. So we're participating in Europa League. I don't think Griezmann wants to take that step down from Champions League to Europa League. He has been moving from clubs who are running riot in their league than to come to Arsenal, where he's definitely going to struggle in the building phase. And will Arsenal want to take Griezmann in their rebuilding phase? Let us see. But that is what is being reported at this point in time. So that is it. Hopefully, you guys get much out of it. Yes, Griezmann is a top class player, world class basically. And yes, I would put he's just maybe a notch below world class, but he's that player that can give you the goal, the Europa League winning goal, the Champions League winning goal, the Premier League winning goal. He's that quality player, and no one can write that off. So Antoine Griezmann to Arsenal, it is on. Reported from Diario Goal, so you guys can check it out. It is a Spanish media outlet, so you guys can go and check it out for yourself. Don't say I'm lying. I'm reporting. So So thank you guys for tuning in. This has been Military Guna TV. Hit that like button. Also subscribe if you want to. I have no problem if you don't, but make sure you hit that like button. Thank you very much for tuning in. Military Guna TV. Guess what? I am out.